Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best mini cameras for security and portability, so let's check it out.
Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5.
HD 1080p DIY Portable 4K Wi-Fi IP Mini Camera. This DIY portable mini camera offers 1080p HD and 4K video quality, equipped with motion detection and remote viewing via Wi-Fi. Its loop recording feature ensures continuous monitoring, while the compact design makes it versatile for various scenarios. The advantages are high-resolution 1080p and 4K video recording, Wi-Fi connectivity for remote access and monitoring, motion detection and loop recording features. The disadvantages are short battery life, limited storage without a micro SD card.
Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4.
Mini camera with 0.96 inches screen CMOS. This mini camera features a 0.96-inch screen and CMOS sensor, providing 1080p video recording for indoor and outdoor use. Compact and portable, it supports TF cards for easy storage and retrieval of footage. The advantages of this mini camera are compact and lightweight design, built-in 0.96-inch screen for easy monitoring, TF card support for extended storage. The disadvantages of this mini camera are limited low-light performance, small screen size may hinder detailed viewing.
At number 3.
Xiaomi 1080p HD Wi-Fi Mini Camera. This Xiaomi mini camera offers 1080p HD resolution with Wi-Fi connectivity for home security and motion detection. It's a versatile device suitable for remote monitoring with P2P recording features. The advantages of this mini camera are high-quality 1080p resolution, Wi-Fi enabled for remote access and control, motion detection for enhanced security. The disadvantages of this mini camera are requires a stable Wi-Fi connection, limited functionality without a mobile app.
Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2.
New mini home camera with night vision. This upgraded mini home camera offers 1080p HD resolution with night vision, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor security. The small size ensures discreet monitoring, and it supports wireless setup for easy installation. The advantages of this mini camera are night vision for low-light conditions, wireless setup for quick and easy installation, compact and discreet design. The disadvantages of this mini camera are short range for night vision, limited battery life.
At number 1.
Monoreflexes shaped mini camera. This vintage-style mini camera offers 1080p video recording in a very small, portable design. Despite its tiny size, it's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, adding a nostalgic flair while being functional. The advantages of this mini camera are unique vintage design, highly portable and lightweight 1080p video recording capability. The disadvantages of this mini camera are limited advanced features, basic video quality compared to more modern cameras.